What's up, guys? JP's Auto Styles. Here working on this 2015 300, Chrysler 300, doing some custom doors and a couple little trick things to this thing. Nice little simple build, but I wanted to show you guys. So I just did this. This is it's got the fly-by-wire transmission control and little door where you got a little pocket and your cigarette lighter. And here's what's cool: it lights up when you turn the car on. So I took the cigarette lighter out and I put, I don't know if you can see that, put a base knob in there. So there you go, a little better. Anyway, thought you guys would think this was kind of cool. Turn the car on, boom, lights up around your base knob, so you know where it's at. Not sure, yeah, kind of cool. Chip, JP's Auto Styles.